Hi, today I wanted to go over a really quick, brief overview for our member database. So this member database is the core of everything that MemberLeap works with, so you'll be able to use any records you find in here anywhere else in the system. It'll just be able to import all that information for you. And for this, we've created a test record. So this would be this testing purposes record. And with this, you have a few different options here available to you. You can edit, you can delete, look at the info, the billing information, and some other functions as well. So we're just going to roughly go over a few things here. So for the edit, this would just allow for you to come in here and you can change any of the information that you see in here. So this is what you're able to do as an admin for any record. For a member themselves, they do have the option on the members menu to edit their own information, but there are all these different tabs here. So there's a variety of information available, and you can change any of this at any time yourself, or again, you just let the members change it. The delete function obviously is just going to delete the record. The info button, it's going to be similar to the edit, but it's going to display all the information in a different way. So in here you can see what all this information is. However, you don't have the option just right here readily available to change any of this. You can change it though if you just click on this edit member info link. It'll take you back to the edit options anyway. The billing section, this is just for the billing information for this member. So since this is a new record and there's no charge to this trial account, you're not going to see anything there. But basically what would happen is in here you would see the different invoices and whether they've been paid or not. Since again this is a free record, it's a $0 amount, so there is no balance due. But there's the different actions here. This all would be covered in the billing section as well. So we'll go back to the member database. If you click on the functions option here, you'll see the same tabs here from before, so change, delete, info, billing. Then you get these other options like referral, contacts, merge, plan features, copy member record, or multi-post member info. So all that's just for this specific record. The other things to keep in mind here are these search bars here, so organization, phone, and email. If you want to look for a specific record and filter it down a bit more, you can always use these little fields here and it'll help you find those specific things. If you want to find a specific person or search for a certain keyword, you just use the search bar at the top here. If at any point you are not getting records showing up that you know exist in your member database, we recommend clicking on clear here or clear search fields. Both of those would just, in this case, this would clear these bottom search fields, and this clear would clear this search field. This just makes sure that there's no kind of random spaces or anything else in here that would be blocking you from seeing anything. And as an admin, you will have this option here, this add new, in this case, testing trial plan. This would change depending on which plan it is that you're looking at. So with this drop down, you can see all these different ones. It would just change to whichever one it is that we're looking at. So you as an admin can go in and you can add in a record at any time. You also have the option to adjust this column visibility. So anything that you want to click in here, so let's say address. Now you'll see the address field. If you want city, you'll see the city field. So you can just select or deselect any of these things that you want and it'll show up here. And again, the information that you see here, these member records, this is what gets used for the rest of the system. So when you're sending out email blasts, whether you're doing event registration, any instances where it's looking for a member record or even custom reports, then it's going to be pulling the information from here. So it's important to make sure that this information is as up to date as possible. So making sure that your members keep everything updated, or if you're the ones as admins who are going in and making sure everything is up to date with that information, making sure that you guys are on top of that is always a good idea. So hopefully you found this overview helpful, and there will be a more detailed member database video later on. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.